Good morning, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to study about a, an, and the articles. Okay, so let's start. Chapter 16, a, an, and the. So, dear students, these words are called articles. Means if we talk about a, an, and the. So, these words are called in English articles, right? A, an, and the. In English, there are three articles, a, an, and the. Articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents and are a type of adjective. The definite article that is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article a and an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. So simply, dear student, you can understand that when our nouns are definite, so we should use the article, and when our nouns are indefinite, then we should use a or an article, right? I will make you understand what are the definite nouns and what are the indefinite nouns. With some examples, I will try to make you understand, right, dear students? There are certain situations in which a noun takes no article. Again, understand the points. The definite things, अगर कोई चीज डेफिनेट हो तो उसके साथ हम दा यूज करते हैं. A and indefinite things, countable and singular. If things are indefinite and those things are countable along with this that should be singular in form, then we should use a or n. A with initial consonant sound and N with initial vowel sound. So when we will do practice, then I will make you understand this all the points. So today I will not just teach you definitions. With some examples, we will understand. No article, indefinite things, and countable or plural things. No article, indefinite things, or uncountable things. Now again understand all the points. जब कोई चीज डेफिनेट हो, डेफिनेट का मतलब होता है कि ऐसी कोई चीज जो बात करने वाले को भी पता हो और सुनने वाले को भी पता हो कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, उन चीजों को बोलते हैं डेफिनेट, राइट? जब कोई चीज डेफिनेट हो यानी कि जब कोई नाम यानी कि नाउन डेफिनेट हो तो उसके साथ हम द आर्टिकल यूज करते हैं. जब कोई चीज इनडेफिनेट हो, इनडेफिनेट का मतलब है कि स्पीकर को तो पता हो यानी कि बोलने वाले को पता हो किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, बट सुनने वाले को नहीं पता हो कि वो किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. अगर वो काउंटेबल है, इंडेफिनेट है और सिंगुलर है तो उसके साथ या तो ए या फिर एन. ए यूज करते हैं जिसका स्टार्टिंग का साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट हो, वाउल साउंड के साथ हम एन यूज करते हैं. नो आर्टिकल यूज करेंगे जब चीजें इनडेफिनेट हो, काउंटेबल हो बट प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो, या फिर indefinite things हो और uncountable हो, right? This all the things we will understand with some examples. Okay, come on the next slide. Exercise, fill the suitable articles. I think you have understood all the articles in your previous class which was taken by Renu ma'am. Now we will do practice on the understanding of the articles, then again we will understand all the rules. Okay, so first sentence is that I have book. I have book. So you have three options. Sorry, I give you two options. Okay, A or N. I have book, so I give you two options, A or N. So which option will you fill? Please tell me. Raise your hand. I will give you the option. Then you can tell me. Aditi, you please tell me. अगर मुझे I और A, sorry, A और N में से fill करना हो तो मैं क्या? Sorry. A, yes, very good, right answer. I need to say here, I have a book. So dear students, remember this word is called A and A. Whenever we say like A B C D, then we say it A B, we say it. But when we say this word in any sentence, then we say it I have a book. Okay, so I will means a will come here, right? Why a will come here? Because हम कोई एक बुक की बात करें, आई हैव अ बुक, वो बुक डेफिनेट नहीं है, सुनने वाले को नहीं पता कि कौन सी बुक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो एक कॉमन बुक हो सकती है, राइट? तो जिसका साउंड है बुक, ब साउंड है, वो ब साउंड जो है वो कॉन्सोनेंट है, वाउल नहीं है, राइट? इसलिए जिसका साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट हो, जिस वर्ड के साथ हमने ए या एन फिल करना है, अगर उसका साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट है तो हमने ए फिल करना है, अगर उसका साउंड वाउल हुआ तो हमने वहां पे एन फिल करना है, राइट? सो ए इज राइट हियर, वी नीड टू से इट आई हैव अ बुक. सी द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. If I say I have a or an nice book, which word is suitable here? Raise your hand and please tell me the answer. Okay, please let me do some setting from my end. Let me extend this box so that I can see your name. Now Shreya will tell me. Shreya, please tell me what to fill here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what to fill here? A or N?
A.
Yes, A. I have a nice book. So A means we need to fill here, right? Because we are talking about any one book. Okay. See the next example. I have an interesting book. I have a or an interesting book. Which article we have to fill here? Who will let me know? Aradhya, please stop the video. Yashvi, please, you tell me. Yashvi, please tell me. Yes,
Yes, sir.
which article will
Sir,
come here?
Sir, I an exacting book.
I have an interesting book. Very good. Right answer. So here, dear friends, you will notice that we have filled here N. Why N? Because we are talking about any indefinite book. And initial sound is interesting. Interesting. E. E sound is vowel. If our sound is vowel, then we have to fill N. But if our sound is consonant, like in previous two examples, our sound was consonant, like book, B. B sound is consonant. Nice book, N. N sound is consonant. That's why we have filled there A. But in the third example, we have to fill here N because our sound, initial sound, that is vowel, like interesting, E. Right? Come on, the next sentence. I have nice books. A or N. Which article will come here? I have nice books. Who will tell me? Aradhya, you please tell me. Aradhya, unmute yourself. I have given you the option. Please tell me which article will come here, A or N?
Sir, A.
A. Okay. Aradhya, actually, there no article will come here. No article. हमने कोई article fill नहीं करना. Why? Because A and तब fill करते हैं जब हम किसी एक चीज की बात कर रहे होते हैं. Right? जैसे मैं कहता हूँ कि I have a pen, I have a notebook. So मैं एक पेन एक नोटबुक की बात करता हूँ, then I have to fill A or N. But here see that I have written that I have nice books. यानी कि मैं एक से ज्यादा बुक्स के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ पे हमें आर्टिकल नहीं फिल करना, ए और एन नहीं आएगा. ए और जो एन होते हैं वो वन की वीकर फॉर्म होते हैं. यानी कि जब मैं वन को इंडिकेट करना हो, कोई चीज को बताना हो कि मेरे पास कोई एक चीज है, देन आई विल यूज ए और एन. Right? So in this, no article will come. Simply we have to say I have nice books. See the next example. I need to say I have a and 1 rupee note. I have a or an 1 rupee note. So who will let me know which article will come? I give you two options, either A or N. Kanishk, you please tell me. Kanishk, you please tell me which article will come here. Kanishk, unmute to yourself. Please try to give the answer, dear friends. If your answer is wrong, that's okay, that's fine. But try to give the answer.
Ma'am, A.
A. Okay. Yes, very good. Right answer. A will come here. I have a 1 rupee note. Dear friend, you will see that. Dear students, please stop the video. Everyone. Diksha, please stop the video. Okay, here I want to make you understand that 1 rupee note. Initial letter is O, that is vowel. Initial letter is O, that is vowel. But initial sound is not vowel. We need to say it one, V. V sound is there. That's why we need to fill here A, not N. Right? I have told you if our initial sound is vowel, then we have to fill N. If our initial sound is consonant, we have to fill N when we talk about one thing. See the next example. I met a honest boy, or I met an honest boy. Which article will come? I give you two options, A or N. Please tell me. Ria, you please tell me. Ria, try to give me the answer. Which article will come here?
A.
A.
I met a honest boy.
Ria, can you tell me why not N? N क्यों नहीं आएगा बेटा? A क्यों आएगा?
सर सर क्योंकि H है.
H है, yes, okay.
A-E-I-O-U आता है N में.
Okay, okay. रिया ध्यान से समझो मेरी बात को बेटा. यहाँ पे N आएगा. हमें लेटर नहीं देखना कि कौन सा लेटर है, वाउल है या कॉन्सोनेंट है. हमें उसका साउंड देखना है कि उसको कैसे प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है. तो सेंटेंस इज दैट आई मेट एन ओनेस्ट, इसको बोलते हैं ओनेस्ट. ओ क्या है? हमारा स्वर होता है जिसको हम वाउल बोलते हैं. तो स्वर साउंड के साथ हमें एन फिल करना होता है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे एन आएगा. आई मेट एन ओनेस्ट बॉय. इसको हमने स्पेलिंग नहीं देखनी होती, स्पेलिंग पे हमें ध्यान नहीं देना होता. हमें ध्यान देना होता है उसके इनिशियल स्टार्टिंग के साउंड पे. जो इसका साउंड है वो ओनेस्ट है, ओ साउंड है. ओ हमें पता है कि स्वर होते हैं, यानी कि वाउल होते हैं. विद द वाउल साउंड वी नीड टू फिल एन. सो एन विल कम हियर, राइट? See the next sentence. That's a little complicated, quite tricky sentence, but carefully give the answer. My sentence is that I have met an or the honest boy who gave you the wallet. So which article will come here? Three options I give you, a, an or the. तीन ऑप्शन में तुम्हें दे रहा हूं, a, an और the. तो कौन सा आर्टिकल का आएगा? Dear students, if your answer is wrong, so please don't be afraid regarding this, because we are learner, right? We are learning the things. We are not perfect. If your answer is wrong, so don't feel bad, but you should try to give the answer. Let me see. Devansh, you please tell me. Devansh, you please tell me which article will come here.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay, okay, I tell you, very good, you have tried very well. Now I try to understand the concept regarding this. Here the article will come. Understand the point, please. Please mute to yourself. Devansh, please mute to yourself. Okay, dear students, try to understand the concept here. Here da will come. Why da will come? But in the previous sentence we mentioned n. But in this sentence we are going to mention da. Why da? Dear students, I have told you da you need to fill there when you talk about something which is particular. When you talk about something which is definite. तो definite मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो चीज लिसनर को और स्पीकर को दोनों को पता हो हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर आई हैव मेट द ऑनेस्ट बॉय हु गिव यू द वॉलेट. सो यहाँ पे मैंने उसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दी है. कौन सा बॉय? जिसने तुम्हें वॉलेट दिया था. तो अब यहाँ से इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन देने से वो जो लड़का है वो डेफिनेट बन गया है. राइट तो इसलिए वहां पे हमने द मेंशन करना है. Okay, with some more examples, I want to make you understand, dear students. Suppose that you are in the class and I say to you, please switch on a fan. Please switch on a fan. It means मैं तुम्हें कह रहा हूं कि कोई भी एक फैन ऑन कर दो. वो फैन डेफिनेट नहीं है. ठीक है. If I say you, please switch on the fan. Suppose मैं दूसरा सेंटेंस तुम्हें बोलता हूं, please switch on the fan. It means आपको भी पता है कि मैं कौन से फैन की बात कर रहा हूं और मुझे ही पता है. उस कंडीशन में मैं बोलूंगा प्लीज स्विच ऑन द फैन. हो सकता है क्लास में एक ही फैन हो या हो सकता है जिस फैन के नीचे मैं खड़ा हूं वही बंद है, बाकी सारे चालू हैं, बाकी सभी ऑन है. ओके. द आर्टिकल तब यूज करते हैं जब उसको मेंशन पहले कर दिया गया हो, इसका मतलब वो पता लग गया कि कौन है. तब भी करते हैं जब उसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन दे रखी हो, बता रखा हो सेंटेंस में किसके बारे में बात करते हैं. तब भी करते हैं जब सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमें पता हो कि किस पर्सन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. राइट. बेसिकली द हम तब यूज करते हैं जब बात करने वाले को और सुनने वाले को दोनों को पता हो हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. राइट. इन दैट कंडीशन वी नीड टू यूज द. दैट्स व्हाई डिस्क्रिप्शन इज रिटन देयर कि कौन सा बॉय जिसने तुम्हें पर्स दिया था. सो दैट बॉय इज डेफिनेट. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू यूज द देयर. ओके. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. Same example I have written here. Please switch on a fan means any one fan I'm talking about. So if I say please switch on the fan, it means any particular fan I'm talking about, any definite fan I'm talking about, right? If I say call a boy, so it means I'm saying to call any one boy, right? And if I say to you call the boy, it means I'm talking about any definite boy. Okay. Both the sentences are right, but both the sentences are giving the different senses. Come on, the next point. Again, we are going to do one exercise. Fill the suitable article. By this, I will make you understand some rules also. Our sentence is that I have dash pen, dash pen is so beautiful. So two dashes are there. So you have to fill a, an or the. We have three options, a, an or the. So who will let me know? Raise your hand, please. Naitik Arora, you please tell me, Naitik. Naitik, you have raised your hand. Please tell me what can be the answer here. Naitik, yes, please try to give the answer. Okay, I think it does not want to give the answer. Prakashal Mittal, you please don't start the video. Okay, you can tell the answer, please. Prakashal Mittal, please tell the answer. Yes, please.
सर फर्स्ट वाले में आएगा ए और सर सेकंड वाले में आएगा द.
The, very good, right answer. So we can say this sentence, I have a pen, the pen is so beautiful. So in first sentence I'm talking about one pen, that is indefinite, but in the second sentence I need to mention the there because हमको पता लग गया कि कौन से पेन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. रीडर को राइटर को दोनों को पता लग गया क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वो पहले मेंशन कर दिया गया, उसकी वजह से वो डेफिनेट हो गया. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू राइट देयर द इन द सेकंड फिल अप. I have a pen, the pen is so beautiful, right? मेरे पास एक पेन है, वह पेन बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत अच्छा है. Next, I gave him apple, but he did not eat apple. So, please tell me which articles will come here. Kanishk, you please tell me. Kanishk, you please tell me. Kanishk, can you tell me? Okay, Nirav, you please tell me. Kanishk, I think he wants to tell me. Wait, please. Yes, Kanishk.
सर पहले में एन और दूसरे में द.
पहले में एन, दूसरे में द. वेरी गुड, राइट आंसर. I gave him an apple, but he did not eat the apple. In first, we need to mention an because we are talking about one apple, that is indefinite, and initial sound is vowel. That's why n we have mentioned, right? But in second example, we means second part, we have to mention the because already we have mentioned which apple. That's why that has become definite. In that case, we need to fill the article. Very good, right answer. Next, third sentence. One day I saw one-eyed man. One-eyed man was injured in a war. Who will tell me? Aradhya, can you tell the answer? Okay. Aditi, you please tell me. Aradhya, please tell me what can be the answer.
सर सेकंड का थर्ड.
Second का third. फर्स्ट फिलअप, थर्ड सेंटेंस के फर्स्ट फिलअप में क्या आएगा और सेकंड फिलअप में क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन 3 आपके पास ए, एन एंड द.
सर फर्स्ट में एन आएगा और सेकंड में द आएगा.
फर्स्ट में एन के स्थान पे ए क्यों नहीं आ सकता?
सर ए आएगा.
क्यों ए क्यों आएगा, एन क्यों नहीं आएगा?
सर क्योंकि ए इसलिए आएगा क्योंकि सर ओ सर वन पे तो ओ तो वो काउंट नहीं होता, सर एन आएगा ना इसीलिए.
नहीं, उसका साउंड है ना, वो वन है. वन साउंड, वो साउंड क्या होता है? कॉन्सोनेंट होता है, उसकी वजह से ए आएगा, राइट? इन सेकंड वी नीड टू मेंशन द देयर. वेरी गुड, यू हैव गिवन द राइट आंसर. Radhya, please stop the video. So in first fill up, A will come. One day I saw a one-eyed man. The one-eyed man was injured in the war. Right? So dear students, I request all the students, please don't start the video. Diksha, please don't start the video. Otherwise, you will be removed from the meeting. Unless I give you permission, don't start the video, please. Come on the next sentence. Principal has come. Principal has come. A principal has come, or an principal has come, or the principal has come. Which word will come here? Who will tell me? Let me see any new students. Harpreet, you please tell me. Harpreet, please tell me which. Yes.
Sir, the.
The. Yes, very good. The will come. Why the will come? Because we are talking about any definite principle. Because whenever we say this sentence, and listener and speaker, they both know that about which principle they are talking. So we need to write here, the principal has come. Very good, right answer. Next, I want to buy silver. I want to buy silver. So which article will come here? Saurav, can you tell? Saurav, you please tell me. Saurav, you have raised your hand. Please tell me what can be the answer. Dear students, don't be afraid to give the answer. Okay, I think he does not want to give the answer. Rihanna, you please tell me. Rihanna, please tell me. I give you 4 options. A, and, the, and no article. A and the and no article. Rihanna, which article will come here?
Sir, the.
The. Okay, very good. You have tried very well, but in this no article will come. I want to buy silver. जो चीजें अनकाउंटेबल होती है ना, जिसे लोग गिन नहीं सकते, जैसे सिल्वर होता है, गोल्ड होता है, वाटर होता है, आयरन होता है, राइट। जो हमारे मटेरियल्स नेम है उनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, गिन नहीं सकते, तो उनके साथ आर्टिकल नहीं यूज करना होता है जब उसको हम जनरलाइज करते हैं, जब हम किसी हम कॉमन सिल्वर की बात कर रहे होते हैं, राइट। तो यहाँ पे कोई आर्टिकल नहीं आएगा। जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, आई वॉन्ट टू ड्रिंक वाटर, बट वी कांट से लाइक दैट, आई वॉन्ट टू ड्रिंक अ वाटर, right? Because water is uncountable. In same way, silver, gold, steel, iron, milk, these words are uncountable. That's why we can't use articles with them. But see the next sentence. Silver of Punjab is remarkable. Silver of Punjab is remarkable. Which article will come here? Three option you have: a, an, and the. A, an, and the. Which article will come here? Let me see. Devansh, you please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, which article will come here?
Sir, the.
The. Yes, see that in this, the is right answer, the silver of Punjab. So when we talk about any definite silver, definite things, then we can use the there. But when we generalize the things, when we talk about any general thing, then we should not use with uncountable things, right? You know that water, with the water we can't use a, n, or the. Like I if I say I want to drink water, so we can't use a, n, or the. But if I say the water of your tap is very nice, the water of your tap means मैं एक कॉमन वाटर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं उस वाटर की बात कर रहा हूं जो आपके टैप से निकलता है. So then in that condition, when we particularize the thing, then we can use the with them. The silver of Punjab, एक कॉमन सिल्वर की बात नहीं कर रहा, सिल्वर जो पंजाब का है वो डेफिनेट बन गया, इसलिए we need to use the there. The silver of Punjab is remarkable. If I say we should get the education, so if I say we should get education, so no article is there. But if I say the education of the Century School, the education of the Century School is very good. So I'm talking about a particular education which is related to the Century School. So in that condition, we can use the, right? Next, dog is a faithful animal. So I give you two options, A or the. A or the. Dog is a faithful animal. Okay, I think I tell you because you will not be able to give the answer regarding this rule. I tell you. So dear students, in this we have to fill the dog. The dog is a faithful animal. When we talk about complete community, complete race, जब हम किसी चीज की पूरी जाति की बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम दा यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं कहता हूँ द डॉग इज अ फेथफुल एनिमल, मैं किसी एक डॉग की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं सभी डॉग की बात कर रहा हूँ कि जितने भी डॉग्स होते हैं वो सारे फेथफुल होते हैं. जब हम किसी रेस की बात करते हैं, किसी कम्युनिटी की बात करते हैं, देन वी कैन यूज द देयर. द डॉग इज अ फेथफुल एनिमल, राइट? नेक्स्ट, शी इज मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल ऑफ आवर क्लास. She is most intelligent girl of our class. Which article will come here? Who will let me know? Bhavesh, you please tell me. Bhavesh, can you tell me which article will come here?
Yes,
Bhavesh,
yes, sir.
yes, which article will come here?
Sir, the.
The, yes. The article will come here in this fill up. Why the will come here? Because when we use superlative degree, like good, better, best, many, more, most. So most is superlative degree. So whenever we use superlative degree, with that we need to use the article. So she is the most intelligent girl of our class because we make it definite. Next, Rahul is intelligent. Rahul is intelligent. So which article will come here? Who will let me know? Tanisha, you please tell me. Tanisha, you please tell me which article will come here.
Sir, no article.
No article. Can you tell why? Okay, I tell you. In this, no article will come here because जो article use करते हैं वो नाम के साथ करते हैं. अगर मैं कहता कि राहुल is an intelligent boy, तो boy के लिए वो article use करते हैं. यहाँ पे तो नाम है ही नहीं है. Intelligent तो adjective होता है, right? If I say he is a good boy, so ये जो word है हमने boy के लिए use कर लिया. But if I say he is good, we can't use article there. We can't say he is a good. We can't say like that. We need to say he is good, right? I think it's enough for today. Rest of things we will do in our next class. So now, dear students, if you want to ask any question regarding today's class, please come forward, raise your hand.